bicycles. You see in my other video, there were two bicycles sitting over there. And they came through. Picked them up, and there's that stuff there. Brush. Nobody's going to pick up brush. Looked like they didn't pick up that junky desk. Still there, junky desk. Oh yeah, lots of wind. Lots of wind. I don't know if you're going to hear my voice or not. We'll find out. But hopefully it's cutting out the wind. The wind blowing at me, blowing at me. I'm going to go down this circle. Let's make this short and sweet. All these, every road in here, besides the one that circles around, turns into a cul-de-sac which backs up against the green belt. That's how this neighborhood works. Heading back. As I say, most of these houses are like two-car garage. I think they're about 1,400 to 1,600 square feet, depending on style. Today was trash day. Wednesday's like garbage trash, and then I think Friday is recycle trash. So this ought to be short and sweet enough to cut out the wind if there was any wind noise, and we will discover whether or not this little tiny piece of a band-aid over this little slot on the top side of this camera is going to cut out the wind noise when I'm riding along, so that I can talk while I'm riding along, and you guys won't have to hear all that noise. That's my ultimate goal. If people like to make videos while they're driving along in their car, right? I ain't going to do it while I'm riding along on this barnstormer, right? So hey, have a good day. Comment, like, thumbs up, thumbs down. It really don't matter, but most of all, remember, have a good day.